Let's be honest, if you're new to trading, you probably thought this was going to be easy, right? Buy low, sell high, make money. Sounds simple enough. But then you start trading and what happens? You buy, and the market drops. Or worse, market goes up, but your profits are so small they barely make a difference. Well, guess what? That's the reality for almost every beginner out there. And let me tell you, it's not your fault. It's the way you're thinking. Let's change that mindset today. You see, the problem isn't the market. It's not that trading is hard. The problem is how you're thinking about it. Beginners often approach trading like it's a game of luck. You think you can just buy when the price is low and sell when it's high, and boom, you'll make a profit. But let me break it to you. That's not how it works. You've probably been there. You place a trade, the market goes down, and you're thinking, what did I do wrong? But let me tell you, you didn't do anything wrong. It's just that your mindset is out of sync with what the market is trying to teach you. Here's the thing. The real traders, the pros, you know what they do differently? They don't play the game like a player. They play it like a developer. Let me explain. Traders don't react to the market. They understand it, they predict it, and they adapt. They're not out here panicking when a trade goes south. They're thinking long-term. They're patient. They're not looking for the next quick win. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm doing everything right. I just can't seem to win. That's where most beginners get stuck. You keep trading with the hope of getting quick profits, and the market keeps throwing you curveballs. Here's the thing. When you focus on small, quick profits, you're not giving yourself enough room to learn from the market. You're not developing your skills to handle volatility. It's like going to the gym and trying to lift the heaviest weights on your first day. It's going to hurt, and it's not sustainable. But if you can reprogram your mind to think in terms of long-term growth, patience, and strategic risk management, you'll be in it for the long haul. And that's where the real money is. Here's how you develop that mindset. Stop thinking like a gambler. Stop hoping for miracles. Instead, think like a developer. What does that mean? It means understanding the market, observing trends, using proper risk management, and letting your trades evolve. A developer builds something strategically. They don't rush. They know that success comes from creating something solid over time. Traders who think like developers build their capital slowly, not looking for instant wins, but for consistent growth. Let's take a look at a pro trader's journey. They don't take small wins and run. They let their investments grow, sometimes for years. Just like Warren Buffett, who holds his stocks for the long haul, or Paul Tudor Jones, who doesn't let short-term losses shake him. These guys don't panic when the market dips. They've built their mindset to focus on the bigger picture. So when you're losing on a trade, instead of stressing, take a step back and ask yourself, what's the market teaching me right now? How can I adapt my strategy? Look, trading isn't about making money today or tomorrow. It's about building your skills and reprogramming your mindset to think like the pros. Don't be discouraged by small losses or slow profits. Understand that the market is teaching you the patience, strategy, and risk management you need to succeed. So next time you feel like your trade is going south, remember, don't panic. You're not losing. You're learning. You're reprogramming your mind to become a master at this game. If you're ready to stop losing and start learning, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you can get more tips on how to reprogram your mind for trading success. Drop a comment below and let me know. What's the biggest lesson you've learned from trading so far?